There comes a time when I won't belong.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's homemaking video. Today my focus is going to be around the dining area. A while back, we bought a carpet for the living room. I think I shared that video. And for some reason, the fact that I could see that these two carpets were not matching or like they were of different shades and different textures, it really bothered me. So every time I looked at the two spaces, the living room and the dining, I could see the disconnect. And of course, it's not a big deal, and it's such a petty detail to focus on. But once I saw it, I could not unsee it. And every time I looked at it, my brain would just like, I just did not like the disconnect. So obviously, it never bothered anyone else in my house. Everyone was just like, it's fine, it's fine. But for me, I was just like, it looks so different. The house just looks, I don't know how. So anyway, I got approval from my Minister of Finance and he allowed me to buy the same carpet as the one in the living room. So I went on Walmart and got a smaller version of what we have in the living room. And that is what I am going to be setting up today. I don't know if it's just me who gets bothered by such small things, but let me know if you're watching this video, if you have such moments where something bothers you and until you fix it or find a solution for it, it will not stop disturbing your mind. So anyway, nowadays my mental health is just dependent on my environment. So if I feel like my space is not doing it for me, I will change whatever I need to change because this year I am prioritizing my mental health. I am not living with a bare minimum. Whatever I feel like changing, I will change. And whatever I feel like my mental health needs or deserves, I am going to do it. So I am not living in misery or living with things that bother me. Yeah, that's why I did not hesitate to get a replacement. And that's why I just wanted to change it. As I said, it is not a big deal. It is just me and what I felt like doing. So I am cleaning up the dining area, tidying up everything, and I am using this Shark vac mop. I got it thinking that it was going to replace a wet and dry vac mop that I had, but it is not all that, and I actually regret buying it, but it is just doing whatever it needs to do for the purpose that it was bought for the time being. And yeah, that's just that one I won't even vent about it. It's a whole
There
different
comes a
story.
time when I won't belong. On these streets, in these crowds, in this room, in your eyes, and you no longer know whether to stay or to go.
This is the carpet. As you can see, it is very light. That's why it is folded like that. It's like a duvet. It's like a blanket. It is light. It is washable. It's very soft. Like when you feel it, it is very soft. It is very good quality, and that is what I was going for. I also wanted something that I didn't need either to use a brush or like go outdoors to have it washed, just something that I can actually throw into the washing machine and wash it. So this one, it says that I could throw it into the washing machine. I don't know if my washing machine is big enough or built for that, but I will try it out and see. If not, maybe I would go to a laundromat because I know that there they have big washing machines, same as the one in the living room. It says that it is washing machine washable, and because I have kids, washing a rug or a carpet in the washing machine, like just something that is easy to maintain, especially with kids because they're always pouring things and always dirtifying spaces. I think getting something that is easy to clean is a plus for me. So this is how it turned out. I'm just going to set up my two flowers on the dining table, and then that will be it for this setup.
If you should take me or leave me, rusty and bleeding, a robot on the floor. Will doors will be ours. I'll slip right through your hand. Doesn't matter what you wish for, doesn't matter how intense. And all those shiny people you wanted to impress, well, they're all watching now, so walk out the door.
Today is another beautiful day, another cleaning motivation, another daily homemaking moment. My bathroom sink looks like a hurricane has just happened on it. Like my stuff is just all over the place. And this happens especially when the kids are in school, I am working, and I honestly just don't have time, or I'm just feeling lazy to return things in their original places. This is what happens. So, um, I'm going to be cleaning this up, putting away the things that need to be put away, just putting things back in their original places. And I am in love with this bathroom because I get a free, I call it a medicine cabinet, but that is where I have put my makeup and all this stuff, my oils, my supplements, vitamins, whatever. I just put my stuff in there. And I find it very convenient because who does not love extra storage? Who does not love extra space to put their stuff? So that has really come in handy for me. And I also love the fact that we have a his and hers. He has his own side, I have my own side. So mtu akichafua yake ni mimi, but usually it is me who is dirtifying both sides. So so yeah, I'm just going to clean this area up, and then I will organize under the sink, organize my stuff under the sink, and then I will also clean our shower.
Well, they're all watching now, so walk out the door. I'm not gonna last, I'll tell you now. Whatever I am, just leave it now. I'm not gonna try to lie, 'cause here I am now. You said be careful what you're saying. We are the ones to talk, and never should have gone this far. I should have told you from the start. No point in playing along or reach for their respect. Can't you see there's nothing left to protect? I'm not gonna last, I'll tell you now. Whatever I am, just leave it now. I'm not gonna try to lie, 'cause here I am now. I've been walking on the same shore ever since the time I left you on the dark side with a promise and a rhyme. And everybody else around are beating down on me to leave the only good thing a disaster meant to be. And if I was to be on trial for every wrong I did, the courthouse would be filled with people waiting to get rid of the one that ripped their lives apart
Now that the bathroom is clean, I am going to go ahead and put away some laundry that I had washed during the day. So I am putting away my duvets. These ones are dirty, so I have changed my bed. I am going to be changing up my bed. These ones I will put them away until I am ready to change what I have on my bed, and then within that time I am going to find some time to clean them up because they normally take so long to dry in the dryer, and I don't know if I have a day to sacrifice to wait for them to do that. So I'm just going to find a day, make time, and wash them before I am ready for my switch up. So I am in love with my wardrobe because it makes my life so much easier. um if you watched my moving series, I was buying a lot of hangers because I knew with this amount of space I am going to be hanging everything. Nobody is about to be bothering folding t-shirts and tops and all that. I just hang everything up other than pants. Everything else goes on the hanger. And I am really thankful that we have so much space to hang our clothes, and we even have more space left in case we continue adding clothes. But so far, this is really, really, hey, really functional for me. And on a side note, I need to do this girl's hair. Yeah, so I'm just going to be putting away my clothes, and then I will go and make my bed.
And I wait for the release, hoping to get my freedom back before the world has turned on everything I know. Come, you lovers, and head my way, always looking for a new day. I will fight for my right to be right here where I stay. Come, you lovers, and head my way, always looking for a new day. I will fight for my right to be right here where I'm bound to stay.
I'm in the kitchen. It's 10 p.m. I finished making my bed, and my room, it is at least looking somehow better. And I've already fed the kids. My dishwasher is running. Kai, it is so loud. This thing is so loud. And I can't do anything about it. So anyway, it's just doing its thing. Maybe let me move so that I can be able to talk. Okay, I am in the bedroom. Actually, that thing is so loud. I don't know what to do about it. It is so noisy that when you're there, you can't talk or have a conversation with someone because it's just like. I really hope my neighbors don't have a problem hearing it, because, or I hope the noise does not go like to them because like now when I am in the room, I don't really hear it. It's just like a vibration kumbali. But anyway, yeah, so I didn't realize my camera had stopped recording. I think it just dropped somewhere or it went off. I don't know, I didn't see. I didn't notice. So, of course, it didn't shoot me finishing my bed or putting away the clothes that were remaining. But I did that and I finished it. And then I went and made dinner for the kids. They ate. And then now it's 10:15. Yeah, 10:15, 10:20. I need them to go and sleep, but I'm just hearing them making noise. So I need to have them sleep. And then me, I'm just going to relax, wait for hubby. Oh, I want to make my orange and lemon juice. I want to squeeze the juices. What am I saying? I want to squeeze my lemons and oranges for my ginger concoction or ginger drink or lemon water drink. So I guess that's what I am going to do once the kids sleep. and I hope I don't wake them up because I need to do it. Otherwise, tomorrow I won't have a drink and I don't want to slack. Here is my juice. Here is my juice. I am done juicing. So what I do is the frozen ginger and garlic turmeric mixture. I just remove one from the freezer, and I like that they come out in different shapes just for fun. Then in a glass I will put honey, and then I will cut the frozen thing, whatever you call it. I will cut it into half because sometimes it's too much to just mix it in one glass. When I'm making a lot for the day, I will just put the whole block and boil it in the water. But right now, since it's just for night drinking before I sleep, it is just a way of lying to my body that I am full so I don't keep snacking at night before I sleep. So I have put my juice, and then I will put hot water and mix it up. So just honey, the ginger and garlic, turmeric paste, I think it also had pineapple, and then water, and then the lemon, the fresh orange and lemon that I have just squeezed. Then I am just going to have that before I sleep, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Time for bed. Bye. Barakatele.